Hi, I'm Steve Shepard, the developer of Storyist. In this video, I'll show you some keyboard shortcuts that can help make your writing sessions more productive. This is the Storyist home screen. It's a lot like the Files app in that you can use the arrow keys to select files. Pressing and holding the Command key brings up the list of shortcuts, and the arrow keys let you select the command you're interested in. And if you know the command you're looking for, you can simply type it. Let's use the Open command, which is Command O or Command down arrow. Storyist projects open to the top-level folder view containing the text files and images in the product. You can use the arrow keys to select them, the Command O or Command down arrow shortcuts to open them, and Command up arrow to return to the enclosing folder. Pressing and holding a file or folder brings up a menu of commands you can use on the item, and you can use the Control Return shortcut to do this too. You can then use the arrow keys to select the menu command and press Return to execute it. The Tab and Control Tab shortcuts move the keyboard focus to the sidebar. Notice that the selection color changes to show that the sidebar has focus. You can use the up and down arrow keys to move between items, and the right and left arrow keys to expand and collapse the outline. As in the folder view, the Command up arrow moves the selection to the enclosing folder. Let's take a look at the editor. As with other screens, you can see a list of shortcuts by holding down the Command key. There are shortcuts for working with files, for editing, for formatting, and for working with the view. Here I'll choose Command Option I to show invisible characters, and then use it again to turn them off. You can use Command minus to zoom out, and Command plus to zoom in, and Command equal to zoom to fit. You can show or hide the sidebar using Command 0. The most useful editor shortcuts are probably the ones used for moving the cursor and selecting text. Control N moves the cursor down a line. The left and right arrow keys move the cursor by one character. And holding down the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys extends the selection. Holding down the Option key moves the cursor by one word. And putting them together, Shift Option right arrow extends the selection by one word. The same holds true for up and down arrows. Shift Option down extends the selection by a paragraph. Control A moves to the beginning of the paragraph, and Control E moves to the end. Control L centers the cursor in the view, and Control O opens a new line. There are more text shortcuts available, and you can find the complete list on the Storyist website at the link below. Let's use Command 2 to move to the storyboard. Here, as in the folder view, you can use the arrow keys to select cards. Command O or Command down arrow lets you edit the card. Command right arrow moves to the next card. Command left arrow moves to the previous card. Command period stops editing and returns to the overview. Command 1 takes you back to the text editor, and Command W closes the project. That's it for now. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And be sure to ring the bell to be notified when a new video is available. Thanks for watching.